You can allow users to upload any file type from WordPress platform to a specific Google Drive folder using Integrate Google Drive's File Uploader module. You can upload any file type and size without worrying about storage limits or hosting space. To create a file uploader module, navigate to Google Drive, Module Builder, click on Add New Module, select File Uploader Module, rename the module based on requirement. From the Source tab, you can enable folder selection to let users select specific folder to upload files. Or, you can select a specific fixed folder to allow uploading on specific selected folder. From the Filter tab, configure file restriction based on extensions, file size, and others. From the Advanced tab, configure module's advanced settings, such as Show Upload Box Label, Enable Immediate Upload, Show Upload Confirmation, and others. From the Notifications tab, set email notifications for users' upload activities. From the Permissions tab, set permission settings for the uploader module, such as overwrite files, enable folder upload, file naming template, set password protection, and others. You can also set module visibility for everyone or logged in. Save changes, click on Embed button, copy shortcode, paste it inside any page or post to display the module. Users can now upload any file type to the allocated Google Drive folder, or they can choose their folder selection if folder selection is enabled.